Hey everyone, this is Stu from Ukulele Zen. I got a question for you. What if your ukulele and the sound of it could relax you and bring you into a meditative state right away? I know it's a bold claim, but I'd love to test it out with you. Please join me in this first of many ukulele meditation videos. Let's begin with something very, very simple, something basic, something everybody can do. What we'll be doing is not learning a song today, but a process of coming into the body, coming into the present by listening to the sound that you are making, feeling your body as you do it. Exercise 1, sitting up with your ukulele and just brush the open strings. Notice the contact point between your finger and the strings. However you strum, with the thumb, with the index, with a pick, feel the contact point. Really feel it. Now let's keep a steady rhythm on the open strings. Take a deep breath in and see if you can remain aware of your body at the same time as you're listening to yourself, listening to me, expanding your awareness to your surroundings and include yourself. On the count of 3, let the strings ring and listen all the way into silence. 1, 2, 3. Stay with it. And ride the silence, ride the sound into silence. You can imagine that the sounds are bouncing off the walls of your room. They literally are. Some of them sneaking out underneath the crack of the door, out the window, up into the sky, and beyond. Let's go a little deeper, shall we? Let's bring the hand into the picture. To become more present of our bodies, let's clap our hands 5 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the tingling? Yes. Can you feel that aliveness? Do that as many times as you'd like. And then bring your hand to the instrument and drop your finger anywhere. Pluck that note and just allow it to ring into silence. You're training yourself to remain present with your sound, and as you do this, your body is going to naturally, intuitively settle into the most ergonomic technique. Try it again, and this time, add another layer. You're going to add a mantra, a mind tool. That's what the word mantra means. Your mantra is yes. Yes. Are you ready? Any note. Another mantra to try is, that's the most amazing sound I've ever heard. I know, you may have clicked away already. But hey, we're feeding ourselves thoughts, messages every day. Why not use our music practice as something that empowers us, that feeds us empowering thoughts? That's the most beautiful sound I've ever heard. If you do this enough, you might go a little crazy with self-acceptance. Place your hand on the instrument and now connect notes together randomly with rhythm. You can repeat notes. My lessons, as you know, I love to teach songs. As you ground yourself in this kind of playing, you'll be able to be so in the body, so in the moment, that learning songs becomes much more fluid, much more easy. Join me, or just watch me, then pause the video and try this exercise out for yourself. I'm going to play 5, 7 notes with great attention to riding them into silence, letting my intuition take over. And what I just did was allow my listening to guide me without any expectations of trying to impress you or myself. Just being natural in this moment. The more we practice that, we can drop into that more and more. Now the mind will want to understand, that was a C minor scale. What was that riff? There were some double stops. We get to that. But we learn that one sound at a time. So to wrap this up, spend some time, just 5 minutes, put a timer on, and spend 5 minutes playing random notes with the positive mantra of your choice. I like yes. I like. Wow, that's the most amazing thing I've ever heard. So you're playing notes with great attention to the sound as it's dissolving into silence, being with your body, and being at peace. We're going to explore this concept with strumming. I will be showing you some nice textures to play. But for now, please try this exercise out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, what you feel about this. Did you try it? What was the effect on you? And if you'd like to go deeper, there are links in the video description below to join me at a ukulele Zen retreat where we use breath work, mindfulness practice, and a whole lot of playfulness on our music making in community together, having a blast. So if you want to join me, please join the community. Click the links down below. I'd love to see you at a retreat someday. Until we meet again, wish you good health, many blessings. Happy jamming.